What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin with another spectacular classic car for you. Here we have a fully frame-off restored 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. And let me tell you guys, I promise you this car is better in person than it is on camera. This is one of the nicest Beetles I've ever seen in all my years admiring and selling classic cars. And I almost can guarantee that it'll be the nicest that you've seen as well. But starting off with the paint, guys, you got a beautiful baby blue paint job that reminds me of a baby shower when the bride hits the piñata and blue sprays out everywhere. Let's also take a look at the body on this car. The body and the body lines are done extremely well. You can tell the restorer paid a very, very high level of attention to detail when he did the body work on this car, and he deserves a raise and a pat on the back. But starting up front, you got a replaced, restored front bumper there, as well as your headlights and your marker lights that look to be brand new. They are restored back to original, as 99.9% of this car is. Take a look down at your wheels there, and you got some beautiful, classic, iconic VW wheels, as well as some front disc brakes, which you can't see right now, but I promise you they're there. Moving on down, this car is a factory sunroof car, which is a very cool touch. And if you take a look on the interior, you'll find some black leather interior, which is lined in a beautiful tan piping to give it that iconic and original look. You also have your 4-speed manual shifter there in between the seats, as well as your original steering wheel and original speedometer there to match. As we get to the rear here, you'll see this car does have the rear mounted motor. What's behind this car is actually a 1650cc motor mated to that 4-speed manual transmission, and it is bored a little bit higher than the typical 1600 that came in these cars back in '68. But that's enough on the exterior, guys. Let's go ahead and give this thing a cold start and see how that 1650cc motor sounds. Not bad for a fully frame-off restored Bug. But even the underneath of this car, guys, is so clean. I'll go ahead and toss it up on the lift and show you some underneath reel of it here. But that's really all I got for you today on this extremely clean Beetle. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Justin, or my partner Chris at 770-738-7111, or visit our website for tons more photos and information on this amazing frame-off restored Beetle at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you there.